friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness on Acer laptop through the keyboard. So friends, keyboard. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly, what you need to do is that you have to just look at the keyboard. Okay, so firstly you can see this is the looking like the symbol of the sun. So if you click this one, or this one symbol of the sun, the front one, when you click this one, no, the brightness will be increased. Okay, it will be increased. And when you click this one, the another symbol, this one will be brightness will be decreased. Okay, see, this will increase the brightness and this will decrease the brightness. You can adjust the brightness by just clicking on the keyboard or from this symbol. Okay, you just click like this, it will be decrease and increase the brightness on your Acer laptop. So you can control it like this. Okay, you can adjust it like that, the brightness. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.